Right, we're back at... Right guys, welcome back. Last day of the NEC in February 2026. We got here nice and early, got here about 8 o'clock, so we're just going to wander around and try and get more of the little stuff that we missed on Tuesday when we come. And we'll obviously try and get a whip round of the Isabella, Telter, Dorema. So by now you've probably already seen all the other brands, the Coachman, new Coachman. So we'll have a wander around. Oh, and in case you're wanting a Morello, I think this one's 500,000.
Yeah.
If you've got any spare change kicking about, it's a nice van. Which way do you want to go, love?
Isabella.
Right, let's go. Go find Isabella. I don't think Joe, this is hall 1. This is the start, so it's not down here, is it?
It is, it's straight down there.
Oh, we found them.
So we've got Isabella, Telter,
Dorema and Rose awnings.
Yep.
All outside of each other. Don't know why Dometic hasn't got that new awning out. Studka?
Oh, I didn't know about that.
Stuka?
So we've got a little accessories shop here to your right. KM.
Ah, come on. Let's get to the juicy stuff.
Oh yeah, but let's discuss what we're passing by. So you've got Telter stand here to your right, which is huge. We're going to come back to this because one of our friends that work at Yorkshire Caravans is on this stand.
Behind us
so
in corner. Got climbing wall, aren't they? Climbing wall and sand pit in corner.
Yeah, it's
This
awesome.
is in hall 1.
They've
If
got
you bring kids
kayak
and sit down, have something to eat, have a coffee.
Got a kayak pool
Sit
as
down
well,
in
haven't
there.
they?
So just behind. Yeah, just behind Rose awnings, but our opposite, Telter. Have a wander through Telter. Marcus is working on Telter from Yorkshire Caravan, so come back and see him, hopefully grab him, get a mic on him and tell him what's new, what's going off. Oh, what's this one, Joe? Oh, let me show you this. It's a new Apex. Did this in our video on Yorkshire Caravans, didn't we?
Yeah.
Showed Apex, but this one's got the annex on. Love this one. We have bought an awning, haven't we, Jode? We're not going to say what yet.
Yeah, it's a surprise.
We have bought one.
Which one we've gone for?
And we will show it. In fact, we'll do a video when we go to Yorkshire Caravans and say which one we've bought.
Yeah.
But look at size, at footprint, Jode, on a 3 metre.
Oh, look at width on that.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
miles better, isn't it?
Yeah, well, you'll think, well, when we get there now, your table goes that way. And your chairs. So you've still got loads of room. Obviously, that's quite a small table, but
yeah,
you've still got all your chairs round, haven't you?
Yeah.
Alright, should we have a look, see what else there is?
Look at price on that, though. What show offers?
Well, you're saving 252
yeah,
quid.
if anybody's thinking about making big purchases, honestly, you need to be going to shows, or like our dealerships in particular, Yorkshire Caravans, they do you the discounts around the show times.
Yeah.
So
Come and see us at Yorkshire Caravans, or say that you spoke to our Coach Adventures, and I'm
they'll
sure
honour you the deals.
they will help you out. And
Yeah.
I dare say probably beat anybody in country on price.
Yeah.
1,000,000%.
Yeah.
So what have we got? Should we go see Isabella?
Yeah.
Let's go show you where. So Isabella's just behind Telter. So all in this little quadrant of caravan accessory, awnings, equipment.
In all one.
It's in hall 1 in the corner, so you can't miss them. So we've got everything here. And this is it. This is a Penta Etna on the corner. And this is Isabella.
Yep. And what's good about them as well, what I like is they have them all set out, how you'd have them set out, so you can really see.
Staged.
Yeah, so you can really see. Let's just go in and show them. So you can really.
Don't show them this one. This one might be one that we're getting.
Oh, it might be.
This might be the one
it
that
might
we're getting.
not be. We might be getting Telter.
Go on, Jodie. What were you saying about the Isabella Commodore?
What I love is that they're all staged how you'd have them laid out at Caravan yourself.
Yeah.
So you can
Well, they haven't put
really
a
feel
nappy in corner, have they? A dirty nappy.
how
Or
you
our Arthur's toys.
Yeah.
That filled it with
our
shite.
Arthur would have had it all chucked all over the place, wouldn't it?
Look at this. We saw a video on Riva yesterday. Well, we saw it on Tuesday, but we thought it was just the one where it comes through. But Reva said now it's magnetic, which is ace. But
they've redesigned them.
But
because you could only have it on one awning before.
It's not about the awnings, look, it's about the...
But where
that's on a carbon pole. Ah, that's why, look. I said to you yesterday, didn't I?
You'd have to get an adaptation.
Yeah, I said...
Sophia, not everyone.
Well, everyone who's got one, if you want to put one on.
Yeah, we were panicking because we thought everybody with carbon fibre...
We weren't panicking, we weren't a case of panicking. I just said there should be an attachment.
Yeah, because everyone with carbon fibre poles will not be able to have them.
Jodie thought that carbon fibre was magnetic last night.
No, I did.
Yes, you did.
I said it'll still stick.
What, to carbon fibre?
Rich went, no it won't.
No, it won't, no.
I was just having a blonde moment.
No, so yeah. Yeah, we love
but
this.
Anyway, where this stems from is there were just somebody had a broken in one of the showrooms. I think it was head office, wasn't it? There were a broken pole sticking out of one of the things, and the awning were ripped, and someone just stuck one of the lights on it, and that's where the idea comes from.
That's where it's come from.
And then everybody just went with it.
So yeah, this is the Commodore, 3 metre deep. It's a fantastic awning.
This one's 3 metre.
The Commodore, this one's 3 metres deep.
It?
Yeah, that's why we wanted a 3 metre deep, didn't we?
Yeah.
I think there's only this one, is there? That's 3 metres. There might be another one.
And is this the large Isabella table as well? That's
in it? That's the table, yeah.
So it gives you a proper feel, doesn't it, of how much space you've got?
Oh yeah, it'd be a big awning. Really big awning. Which would be fantastic. These are one of these nets, look, Joe, here. Cargo bags.
Yeah, I'm not that keen on them, me. I just...
Yeah, it's just to chuck all your stuff in it, like your keys, you can chuck your clubs in it.
Yeah, and then you won't be able to find your keys, you.
Yes, it is good for chucking all that in. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so counting through into all one, you've got point up. You can see, is it coming in? Oh yeah, there we are. So you've got all your Dometic, you've got your Telta, you've got your Isabella. So just have a wander around. All on outsides as well, you've got all your little smaller, what are they called? Smaller, I don't want to put them down because they're not, they're all good brands.
Smaller named brands.
Smaller named brands and a bit of a smaller outfit. What have you just seen? You've just seen a cooler box, have you?
I've just seen a Dometic cooler box, yeah, at corner of my eye, but it's a big one, and that's what we're after, yeah.
She's
the
big.
VIP of coolers, look at this.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, she's cold. Icebox.
Yeah.
Oh,
liking that.
That looks expensive, doesn't it?
It does, but is it the same level of expensiveness as Isabella.
Yeah, that, I think, looking at that feels and looks about 600 quid's worth.
Is it it's not a freezer box, is it? It's a cooler.
Got smaller ones here, but obviously they're too small.
There's no prices.
No, probably have to wait and get prices. Right. Oh, look, they've got air cons over here, Joe. I like these Dometic air cons.
Yeah, I do.
They're
We
a
were
lot
stood under
sleeker,
them the
aren't
other
they?
day, weren't they?
Yeah, they're a lot sleeker, and I think they're better looking. Obviously, if you are thinking about getting an aircon unit, go and speak to somebody, because if you've got a twin axle to a single axle, obviously these aircons cover more, so you might have to have a different model variant.
Oh, lithium batteries.
Perfect, lovely. Right, so behind we've just moved into is it all two, all three, one at two? We've just found Coachman stands. If you wanted to buy a coach, let's find a Coachman. Coachman are here. We've already seen the Lusso 4. Really nice van. I'm not going to show you it again because there's loads of videos going on about it. Behind us again. Bailey stand. Bailey always do a lovely stand. It was nice last year, wasn't it?
Yeah, really nice.
Really nice stand. If we're good outsides, I want to show you more of what's on. Let's see what's more outsides. Everybody's seen like all this bit.
We've got specialised covers. This side.
Yeah, specialised covers. Amazing covers. That's which one we've got in it. Toe Pro Elite.
They only normally have a little stand, don't they? They've gone quite big this year.
Well, no, it's still NEC 2026, and this is the Coachman Lusso, as Jody calls it, IV. This is Coachman Lusso 4. Rear bedroom. I'm excited to see this one. Nothing's really changed on the outside. You get everything as standard, all your EMP. Only thing they have changed this year, well, on this one, is the new aircon. So you've got a Gen 2 aircon. You've got Alder constant flow water. And, oh yeah, oh, I like it. Yeah, so we've got the 855 on ours. When we love it, I love it. But I wanted to see what they'd change in this one for the rear bedroom. Because what they've done on here, look, they've put a door on, a slidey door, instead of an actual door. What shuts here and then shuts onto the bathroom, so it makes it feel more like you've got more of a corridor. But yeah, they've changed the wardrobes. So obviously wardrobes are here now. They used to be at side at bed, so when you were laid in bed, it used to make you feel like you were a bit more closed in, so it does feel a bit more open in the bedroom. But first impressions, looks absolutely stunning. Sink's changed, so before in our 855, not that it's how to compare it to, but the 855, the sink were here, towel rail were at the back, so that's changed, right? It does feel more open. Yeah, it is really nice. It is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Just wanted to have a look around it, because even when I'm sat here now, it does feel a lot better. A lot more open plan, which is lovely. Nice. So yeah, this is the 2026 Lusso 4, and it's at £54,890. One thing I like about these is that they've up-plated the weight plate now. So what we found in our 855 was the weight. I took it to Weybridge, and with obviously all the extras that we've got on our caravan, we noticed that we're literally on our limit. And now, with the up plate for 2.2 tonne, you can have a payload of 325 kilo. So this is it. The all new Coachman Lusso 4, which I think will be really popular. I think it'll be really popular more at the end of the year when a few more £1,000 been thrown off it. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous van. Absolutely gorgeous. I think we might have a new van on our hands. Guys, look what we've just come across, a company called Boa, and this one is £34,000. But what it does, it all comes in on itself and it finishes to that, only 2 metres wide. Wait till I show you inside, because it is absolutely crazy. It's got aircon, underfloor heating, it's got L-shaped kitchen, it's got U-shaped lounge at front, what converts into a bed. It's got a centre washroom, so obviously the door opens this side, other one that side, and obviously this panel comes up in the middle. So that comes up, and then you've got you stand there and you've got a shower room, so it's centre washroom. And then look at the size of bed at the back. Look at that. It's got aircon in it. It's got absolutely everything you need, and it all closes in and shuts up to just 2 metres wide. And this one is £34,000, but this has literally got everything in it, and it only weighs 1,300 kilo. What a fantastic bit of kit. What an amazing piece of kit. Look at that, look, when it's down. 2 metres wide. 2 metres wide. It is absolutely crazy. 2026 February show. You had a nice time?
I've had a fantastic time, yeah.
Good.
Been really good. It's had a right nice feel about it, hasn't it, this show,
really
this
good,
year.
Really
right small, intimate, completely different to October show, but
that's it.
Met some really nice people.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.